What the fuck?
Oh Lord, that strange man killed the kids! Someone stop the man!
Ah, science. The matter of how the world around us functions. Demonstration on my...
对不起，先生，希望不会害你看电影分心了。不会的，孩子。
Open that door. Stop it. Play mini games. Wanna play mini games? Wanna play?
I mean, volcano erupts.
Stay out of the way.
No, I saw her!
Time for you to go bye-bye.
The music.
As a result of the heat under the earth, a volcano regurgitates magma in 3 different structures: ash, debris, and heated gases. This is followed by a swarm of earthquakes around the area.
To the people watching this video, I suggest you turn down your speakers or headphones right now.
Although it may seem scary, a volcano is very beautiful to look at. Just don't think you're an actual one when it erupts.
It's an Alliance member's duty to give other members air.
Care to give me some air? No straw needed.